In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Pearson correlation in Tableau. If you've ever wanted a deeper understanding of how two variables relate in your dataset, the Pearson correlation is a superb tool to have in your analytical arsenal. So, let's dive right into the process and unlock some insights. First, go ahead and open the Tableau application. If you've already got data loaded, that's fantastic. If not, make sure to load up the dataset you want to analyze. Once you're in, access the worksheet you'll be working with. This is your canvas and we'll start crafting your analysis right here. Now let's visually represent our data. Drag the sales field to the columns shelf and the profit field to the rows shelf. You should now see a scatter plot forming, giving you a preliminary visual relationship between these two variables. Next, head over to the analysis menu. Here, you want to ensure that aggregate measures is unchecked. This step is crucial because we want to view the raw data points, not aggregated data, to accurately analyze the correlation. With your plot prepared, right-click on the plot area and navigate to trend lines. From there, select Show Trend Lines. This action will overlay a trend line on your scatter plot, providing a quick visual guide to the underlying relationship. To quantify this relationship, right-click your view once more and choose Trend Lines again, but this time select Describe Trend Model. A dialog box will pop up showing detailed statistics about the trend line, including the R-squared value, which indicates the strength of the correlation. At this point, you'll want to take note of this R-squared value. Using this value, you'll calculate the Pearson correlation coefficient. Open a new sheet in Tableau and click on Analysis. From the drop-down, select Create Calculated Field. Once in the Calculated Field editor, name your field appropriately, type in the calculation query using the R-squared value, and click OK. You can now drag this calculated field to the text shelf in your new sheet. We're nearing the end. To ensure the information is readable and clear, format this calculated field. Right-click it, select Format, and then adjust the number format to display a custom number with 4 decimal places. This level of precision will ensure accuracy in your results. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've calculated the Pearson correlation in Tableau and gained valuable insights into the relationship between sales and profit in your data set. Remember, mastering these tools and techniques empowers you to make data-driven decisions and uncover patterns you might otherwise miss. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.